Back here with a Popcat update. You can see here we almost came up here and hit our target. Super close. Just about there. I believe maybe we get this last push up here. Came up to, what, about 207? Alright, and we had a target anywhere from the bottom of it here, 211 to 217. Alright, so we came within a couple cents of hitting this target up here. Where I believe Popcat is headed could possibly be a lot higher. Alright, if we put a fib on this thing, a full Fibonacci extension, if it does it, would be up around over $3. Alright, now you got inside here, you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. Alright, five Elliott waves in here. This would be your first push up. Then you would look for a corrective structure, probably an ABC. This outer 5 waves is out here. You have a 1, 2. This would all be a third wave. Okay, 3. Decent sized correction. It's hard to say. A lot of people think the rally's over. This thing's dead. Blah blah blah. 4, and then a possible 5. It's hard to say. It's hard to say how high this could possibly go, you know what I mean, on this outer side. You got your weekly RSI, still bullish, 91 and an 85, and down here on the bottom, it is at a 71, all right, so getting up there a little bit. The daily, 62 and a 63, actually flip bearish. Let me get these lines off here. Alright, this thing is still holding trend though. This trend line coming up through here, it's absolutely still holding it. Lost it a little bit here for your wave 4. This fifth wave up here. Now it looks inside here. If you take a look, you can see a 1, 2, looks like a third wave, maybe a fourth wave back, and a final push up here. So you could still get a little bump out of this yet. Your 12-hour RSI, 65 and a 59, it is bullish. 8-hour, 62 and a 64. You can see how this thing has been. I mean, with leverage trading this, you better be pretty darn sure it's heading to the upside. You can see, look at these. I can see Elliott waves everywhere. I love these things. And if you want to come trade with us, guys, consider signing up for a level 3 membership. Coming over there and trading with us in Discord. I think you'll absolutely love it. A lot of people, over 200 members in there. It's $14.99. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, how to spot Elliott waves, how to use the Fibonacci, how to use all these tools over here, how to set this up, your trading view. And there's also a link in the description for a leverage site that we use. No VPN and no KYC, so you don't got to worry about any of your information getting stolen out there on the internet. I love it. I've been using the site for a while. A lot of people in Discord have gone over there and signed up because a lot of you want to use the same pricing, entries, and targets as everybody else. This is a CoinEx chart. If you're using different charts, you're going to have different wicks. You always do. If I pulled up a MEXC chart on Popcat, you would see totally different wicks than on here, more than likely. So it's pretty important you use the same chart as everybody else. But we've been doing very well over there. Bitcoin dominance, we're waiting for this thing to break. Everything has been running very hard. Not everything, but a lot. It's just the beginning, guys. It really is. Bitcoin dominance has not broken this support yet. All right, when it does and starts rolling over, these things are really going to start taking off. Now you can see down here the RSI for Bitcoin dominance has turned bearish, which we've been waiting for that for a while. Alright, so looking for this red candle to break structure, pull through, and this thing ought to pick up steam, and all the money will start flowing in the altcoins, and it will get absolutely insane, for sure. Alright, so keep your eye on that. As far as Popcat goes, could get one more push up out of this thing. We'll have to see what happens in here with this. Alright, no, this 5 waves in here does not mean that this thing cannot push up a little bit higher here. Alright, this would have been 4, and then potentially 5 here. Could be done. Could get an ABC correction out of here, or you could just get a little push higher. But overall, I believe Popcat is definitely heading higher in the future here. Not necessarily today or tomorrow, but definitely heading higher. If we put a trend-based fib on this thing, these things, I only use closing candles with trend-based fibs. Right? I don't like using wicks. And I'm going to pull it right back to the bottom and see what kind of target that has. $3.15. So we'll see what happens. You're supposed to go with the retracement. Like I said, I don't use wicks. I don't like wicks. The retracement would have been up here more likely, so still puts it $3.30. We'll see what happens. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll be back with you soon.